Let's draw a transparent jellyfish. First of all, let's draw its umbrella-like body. Pink. Then draw its mouth so your jellyfish can smile. Red. Perfect! Now, draw wavy lines underneath its body. It looks like a skirt. Violet. And then draw smaller wavy lines. Yellow. You did a great job. Let's draw 3 long tentacles. And 2 more. Super! You have made an excellent jellyfish.